like the blacksmith shop here.
The statewide group, California Blacksmith Association.
Oh, he is a blacksmith.
Mm-hmm.
If you go online to California Blacksmiths, you can find out where the different shops are. I work out of a shop, I teach a shop in Santa Ana.
Look at that clothing.
But there's actually about 600 of us in the state. If you go onto their website, there's a map, and you just find some places near you. And click on it, you'll find another smith.
Anvil and water. And are you going to hammer something?
I was going to try.
Ah.
What I was going to make, this will take a little bit of time to make, so I'll set this aside. What I'm going to do is make something like this. This will take a little bit of time, but that started out to be flat sheet of steel.
What is that used for?
It's just a wall hanger.
Maybe you cooked.
Yeah.
Maybe our old house, the Indio house.
Yeah, oh yeah, that helped us out.
So you get the metal hot, and you find that little crease in there. One thing about blacksmithing, nothing happens quickly.
I was going to say, it looks like it takes a lot of patience.
As soon as you pull it out of the fire, it starts to cool off.
Uh-huh.
You only have a couple seconds to work with it.
So back it goes again.